Hello, coin enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we dive into the fascinating world of numismatics. We'll be exploring the history and value of the 1995 United Arab Emirates One Dirham coin. So buckle up as we take a journey through time and explore the intricate details of this remarkable piece of currency. Here it is, the 1995 UAE One Dirham coin, a small piece of metal with a rich history and unique features. Let's start by examining the design and details that make this coin so special. As we can see, the front of the coin features the United Arab Emirates emblem, a symbol of unity and strength. The intricate calligraphy around the emblem adds an artistic touch, showcasing the region's cultural heritage. On the reverse side, we find a depiction of a sailing ship, highlighting the nation's maritime history and trade route. Now, let's delve into the historical context of 1995 in the United Arab Emirates. This was a time of significant development and progress for the country. The economy was growing, and the UAE was solidifying its position as a hub for commerce and trade. The choice of sailing ship on the coin reflects the nation's deep-rooted connection to the sea and its maritime traditions. Before we move on, let's take a quick look at the specifications of the coin. The 1995 UAE One Dirham coin is made of nickel brass, has a diameter of 23 mm, and weighs 6.5 grams. These specifications contribute to the coin's durability and unique appearance. Now, what is the value of the 1995 UAE One Dirham coin? Due to its historical significance and limited mintage, this coin has become a sought-after collector's item. The value can vary based on factors such as condition and rarity, but it's safe to say that owning a piece of UAE history like this is a treasure in itself. For all you coin collectors out there, here are some tips when looking to add this coin to your collection. Pay attention to its condition, any signs of wear, and whether it has been well preserved over the years. Additionally, consider consulting with experts or fellow collectors to gain insights into the market value. And there you have it, a closer look at the 1995 UAE One Dirham coin. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the past and the intricate details that make this coin a true gem. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy collecting